Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to save past broadcast. So if you want to save the past broadcast, you could go ahead and follow the simple steps. Open up a browser, type in twitchtv.com and log in into your account. Once logged in, what next you need to do is to enable archiving. First, you can visit the streaming settings. So you could go and navigate to the page from your creator's dashboard. So press the profile icon from the top right, go to creator's dashboard, and here what next you need to do is by expanding the settings tab at the bottom, you could find the video producers. So go back to your Twitch account one more time. And here, press the profile icon from the top right, go to video producers. Next thing you could go ahead and see is your videos that you presented. So you could go to all videos and go to past broadcast. In my case, I do not have one single thing. So if you see the one, click the three dot icon. You could also go ahead and download it or press the save button, and this way you could go ahead and enable or disable the archiving. So that way you could go ahead and save past broadcast. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.